Welcome to Kids on Trucks. I'm Chris. This is Waylon. We're working on a 1978 Toyota Land Cruiser, and today we're going to install a seat belt. In order to install a seat belt, you're going to need a few things. You'll need a seat belt. You'll need some old hardware. You'll need a couple of wrenches. Now, this isn't the seat belt that's supposed to go on the driver's seat. However, desperate times call for desperate measures, and we're going to make this one work. We're going to bolt one end of the seat belt here under that acorn nut, and we're going to bolt the other end of the seat belt here under that acorn nut. Sound good, Waylon? Okay, so these acorns look like 14 millimeter. And like that. Fuck it. We've got our seat belts in, baby seat fastened, and now we're on the road. That's all for this episode. Thanks for watching.